Hi everybody, my name is Brandon West. I'm reporting live from the MGM Grand, where we are at the 6th annual Non-profit Hackathon for Social Good here at AWS reInvent. We've got 4 great nonprofit organizations that have all submitted challenge statements, and we've got about 180 awesome hackers that are staying here to try and solve problems for these charities using AWS services. We've got Compassionate International, Game Changer Charity, Girls Who Code, and Goodwill. Joining me today is Sonia from Goodwill. So Sonia, what is your challenge statement today, and what is Goodwill hoping to get out of this event?
Thank you for asking. So one of our challenges is that Goodwill serves a lot of people, 2.1 million people per year in face-to-face services, 36 million people through virtual services. Goodwill staff usually support the job seekers who come into our office by doing a lot of follow-up. We want to ensure that people have been placed into employment, but not just that they've been placed, that they enjoy the employment and that they can retain that. So there's a lot of follow-up that happens with Goodwill staff, and we're looking for the coders to assist us with finding ways of being able to automate that follow-up that happens and being able to reduce the amount of time and effort that we spend in supporting people to ensure that they retain their jobs.
Okay, great. So it's really about trying to add a little bit of software automation to help take some of the tedious process out of what you're currently doing, hopefully so that you can scale what you're doing and serve more people.
Serving more people, and in light of, today being Tuesday, Giving Tuesday, we're really looking for that support. How can we give back more to the communities that we support locally? Being able to reduce the amount of time and effort that we put into doing the follow-up will allow us to be able to expand services and to support more people. So we're looking at ways that technology can enhance that face-to-face relationship, being able to supplement the relationship that has been developed with job seekers, and to empower them so that they can reach out to Goodwill staff, providing those updates of what's going on with my life. Am I successful in my employment? Have I experienced some career advancement? Have I gotten a raise? So we want to be able to empower them so that they can then track their own career advancement opportunities.
Awesome. That sounds very exciting. I hope that tonight at midnight when the contest ends, the hackers have created some really cool things to help you be more successful in your mission. Thank you very much for being a part of this event.
Thank you so much
lot.
for the invite.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
All right, now I've got Randy, who's a hacker here at the hackathon. So Randy, tell me a little bit about the charity that you're supporting and what you're trying to build for them.
Sure. So we decided to support Girls Who Code. It's a organization that actually, Protiviti, the company I work for, we are a corporate sponsor of theirs.
Okay.
And they have a mission we believe in. So it was exciting to see that on Giving Tuesday here with the Non-profit Hackathon that they were one of the options to support. Our effort is to help make it easier for people that want to volunteer for them to find events that they can work with and contribute at.
Okay.
So we're using a variety of AWS services to try to get this done. One of them is just simple serverless web application.
Okay.
To just connect up Aurora serverless with Lambda API gateway and go ahead and let people get access to that info. We're trying to create an Alexa skill so that someone can ask Alexa, how can I help this week? How can I help this month? And then they'll be able to get a listing of what they could do to volunteer. We're also thinking of using SES and CloudWatch events to trigger like weekly and monthly emails to interested people so that they know what's coming up. And that's just some of the ideas that we're floating around right now, trying to work on in the short time we have.
Yeah, absolutely. That's always the fun of a hackathon, the pressure and the kind of the crucible that you're in to try and create really cool things on the fly, sometimes using services you might not be familiar with. So
yes.
Hopefully you're being successful. Are you planning to be here all the way until midnight, hacking away?
We all got here at 8 to wait in line, and we plan to be here for the whole time.
Excellent.
So, and definitely trying out new services that we haven't used before. So AWS QuickSight is one that we want to use. They mentioned it was important to them to be able to understand the data that gets collected, and we thought that would be a nice way to show it.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for participating in the hackathon. I hope that you're able to come up with something cool, get it launched, hopefully win one of these awesome prizes that we've got here. So best of luck to you and your team. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for joining us here at the MGM Grand. This is the 6th annual Nonprofit Organization Hackathon for Social Good. Hopefully next year some of you watching on Twitch can join us and participate in the hackathon yourselves. Thanks so much.